So we're going to show you how to load your files onto a machine from your USB, but first you're going to need to set them up so that they're in the correct file structure and format for your system. This is going to be for a CB460 or 450 in the GCS900 system. So we're going to pretend we just got these files and they're loose on our USB stick. Normally you'll get just the SVD and SVL. Those are the most common design files for GCS900 and what you'll get from your model builder. Your CFG is like your site calibration, and that'll have to be exported from your data collector if your model builder didn't have it. Sometimes, typically for excavators, you might have just an SVL, and that's going to be your 3D line work that you're digging to for underground. But the CFG or a .cal, either will work, but you'll always need that so that your system is running in the correct coordinate system. First off, we'll need to know where our files are located. On our USB stick, we know we just have them loose, so if I go to the D drive here and I see my files on the USB, I have my CFG, my SVD, and SVL. These files need to be in the correct structure for the GCS system to actually recognize and upload them. So the first step is going to be to make a new folder. The first folder we have to have is going to be called Machine Control Data, and it has to be spelled out exactly like this, spaces and all. Once we have that in here, we're going to go into that Machine Control Data folder. So here it is. Go in the folder. We're going to make another new folder, and this one's going to be called ALL. This means it's for all machines, and that way we'll be able to load this design in any of the GCS machines that are on site. Now we're going to go back to the root drive of our USB stick where our files are located. We're going to select our 3 files. We can copy them, and then we're going to go into Machine Control Data. We're going to go to All, and now we need a folder for the design name. Whatever we name this file is what it's going to show up as when we go to select design in the GCS900 system. I'm going to call this one Training Site. So then we're going to go inside our Training Site folder, and now we're going to paste 3 files we have. So now I have my SVD, SVL, and our CFG calibration. That's all we're going to need. So now we can eject the USB stick out and head to the machine. All right, now we're in the machine with the CB460. We're going to make sure we have it powered on. We're going to plug our USB stick in, and a new screen's going to pop up. Over on the right hand side, you're going to see we have a few different options for the buttons. The one that we're going to do is add from USB, because we want to add the files to the screen from our USB stick. And now it's going to go just to that folder in the All folder where we've had our design folders. It's uploading all those. It'll tell you operation complete, and we can pull the USB stick out. And now we go to select design, and there you can see our training site and the SVD. Hit OK, and now it's selected and loaded. So one thing to note, if you have never used that USB in a control box, when you put it in, you may not see the option to add from USB. If you do not see that option, just hit the to USB button first. Once you do that, you can pull the USB back out, and then you put it back in, and you should see the option to add from USB after that.